Hello, I'm Edward from Obsidian Control Systems. Let's take a look at the slice and range tools, which are really useful when you're dealing with multi-part fixtures such as LED batons. So if I go and say 301 through 308 full, we can see there that I've got my 8 vertical LED batons running along the back of my stage there. Those are my RGBA LED batons. Now, what about if I just want to grab the 5th pixel from all of those batons? Well, if we were to do that through the fixture center, we'd have to go in and select each one of those individual 5th pixels for each of those fixtures. But we can use syntax, which is a much quicker way of doing it. So I could go and say 301.5 through 308.5 full. And notice ONYX has done what we call a slice. It is sliced through that selection, and even though we've said 301.5 through 308.5, it has just selected part number 5 of those particular fixtures. So we can very quickly grab all of those pixels. However, if I wanted to, instead, I could put the console into range mode. And if I do that exact same syntax again, so 301.5 through 308.5 full, this time we've got the range from that cell all the way through all of our fixtures, all the way to 308.5. And so this selection is kind of more typical of what we would be used to when dealing with non-multi-part fixtures. But when we are dealing with our multi-part fixtures, by default, ONYX will be in slice mode, which means we can really quickly pick a slice of pixels throughout our total selection. Range mode is still very useful though, because I might want to say 301.10 through 302.6 full. So it is still useful to be able to do a range when you want to grab the last few pixels of one multi-part fixture and the first few pixels of another multi-part fixture, for example. So range still is useful, but by default, ONYX will use slice mode.